Source code escrow, the deposit of the source code of software with a third-party escrow agent to ensure maintenance of the software and prevent abandonment or orphaning if the licensor fails to maintain and update the software as promised in the software license agreement. SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle, the phases in the life cycle of software development, which include investigation, analysis, design, build, test, implementation, maintenance, and support, and disposal. It is not a methodology, but a description of the phases of the software development process. Procedural programming, a programming paradigm that involves designing software by breaking it down into smaller, structured pieces or procedures. It tends to lean towards top-down programming, which involves starting with the big picture and then breaking it down into smaller segments. Data Manipulation Language, DML, a language used for selecting, inserting, deleting, and updating data in a database. Common DML statements include select, delete, insert, and update. Bottom-up programming, a programming approach that involves piecing together systems to build more complex systems, making the original systems a subsystem of the overarching system. Object-oriented programming tends to lean towards bottom-up programming, where you start by developing your objects and build up. Broken authentication and session management, a vulnerability identified in the OWASP Top 10 list that occurs when authentication and session management are not implemented correctly, resulting in sessions that do not expire or take too long to expire, predictable session IDs, or passwords kept in plain text. To mitigate this vulnerability, implementing secure session management practices, such as expiring sessions after a period of inactivity, using strong session IDs, and using secure password storage techniques, can be effective. Data Integrity System, a centralized system that performs all data integrity operations in a consistent and controlled manner. Such a system increases stability, performance, reusability, and maintainability of the database. Foreign key, a field or group of fields in a relational database that matches the primary key of another table. It is used to establish and enforce a link between the data in two tables.